Alright, so today we are going to be doing YA2 from my student dataset. So this imaginary molecule has a total valence electrons of 20 valence electrons. And the Lewis structure for this molecule goes something like this. Y as the central atom because it is least electronegative than A. Y's electronegativity is 6, while A's is 7. And 7 minus 6 equals 1. And so that means it is a polar molecule. The bond between Y and A is polar because it is above 0.5. So now go back to the Lewis structure. We have A, Y, and A joined by single bonds. And then we know that there's 20 valence electrons total. So we just take 20, subtract by how many bonds we have already. We have 2 single bonds, so that means that there's 4 electrons in each. There's 16 left, and we'll put it however many we can in our terminal atom, which is A. In this case, we can put 12 in our terminal atom, so that is minus 12. Now we have 4 left, and we could put the other 4 in our central atom, and this satisfies our octet rule. We have no more electrons left, so then YA2's Lewis structure is now done, and this has an electron geometry of a tetrahedral because it has 4 electron domains, and the molecular shape of this is a bent molecular shape, and it has a bond angle of 180 degrees between each atom, and the polarity is the polarity arrows are drawn towards the Y because it's the least electronegative atom. We just do it like this towards Y, and it is a polar molecule because we know that this is a polar molecule because of 1, the change in electronegativities between the 2 atoms is polar because it is above 0, the change is above 0.5. And we also know that it's polar because this is an asymmetrical molecular shape. And the hybridization of this molecule, of the central atom of Y, is sp3 because again it has 4 electron domains. And then this right here, this is the 3D model of the YA2. Sorry, that fell apart right there. I used gushers here. I used the blue gusher at the top as a central atom. The red gushers at the bottom are the 2 A's, and then the 2 here without any gushers, that symbolizes the 2 lone pairs that the atom has. And that describes that is a 3D model of the molecular shape as a bent molecular shape as a tetrahedral electron geometry. And that's about it for this Ya2 molecule.